our actions will speak louder than words.
Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal along with Maukenrao MLA Bante Dor Lingdo yesterday inspected the ongoing construction of the 33 kV substation at Umtong village. Briefing the media, AT Mondal said that the substation will be operational as soon as the construction work is completed. He expressed gratitude to local MLA for taking the initiative to expedite the construction and also thank the Dorbar Shnong in the area for their cooperation.
I'm visiting almost all the substations which are being constructed in the country. So we will see that this substation is operationalized as early as possible. Work is almost completed. We need only final touches and the line to be through. So I'm thankful to our colleague in assembly, Ba Paigan. He was telling me from first day onwards that why not we not visit. So we make this program. Of course, we have set one day earlier, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, we have to cancel it. So today, though weather is very inclement, but we thought that we should